Hello everyone, in this exercise of SolidWorks we will create the miter flange in SolidWorks sheet metal. Let's start. File, new, part. Part is the default template, okay? Okay. Now this is the SolidWorks user interface and this is I'm selecting the background plain white and unit system is the millimeter gram second, okay? Now, in this exercise, we will create the miter flange in the SolidWorks sheet metal. Okay. I am taking the top plane. These are the tabs. This is the command manager. In the tabs, in the tab section, there is a sheet metal. If you don't have the sheet metal tab, you right click on any tab, and you check the sheet metal. But I have the sheet metal tab already in my tab section. Okay, you click this one, this tab will come here. Okay, now I am selecting the tab top plane sketch. I am taking the arbitrary and I am taking the arbitrary drawing model. You can make as per your requirement. Okay, I am this one. This is the I am taking 250 and this I am taking 150. Okay, now this is the geometry. Now in the sheet metal I go in the base flange. I am taking the sheet thickness 2 mm, but sheet thickness is going down direction, but I am taking above. In this way you can reverse the direction of the sheet thickness from here. K factor 0.5, auto relief I will not use any auto relief. Okay, this one. From above there is sheet metal. Sheet metal, right click this one, you can change the band radius. 2 mm is the band radius. This is the inside band radius. I will show you how to measure this band radius. Okay, this one. This one. This is the 2 mm thickness. Here you can also change the things. Now, in the miter flange, I use the miter flange. Miter flange, when I bring my cursor on miter flange, you will see there are the multiple walls. But in the edge flange, when you use edge flange, there is a single wall. This is the advantage, this is the difference between the miter flange and this one. A number of walls, you will see in my cursor. When I bring my cursor on miter flange, you will see there are a number of walls, number of multiple flanges. In IH flange, there is single wall, you see. This is the difference. Okay, I am clicking miter flange, this one. And now his system is asking planar face on edge, which to sketch the picture or existing sketch. Okay, I am selecting this face, this one. Okay, now I draw it. You have to draw the profile as per your requirement. Okay, I am selecting arbitrary dimension. I am taking this one, and this one. I am taking this one. This dimension I am taking 130 mm. Okay, and this dimension I am taking 30 mm, only 30 mm. Okay, now this dimension and this dimension and this arrow click 45. This is a 45. Now this and this I am taking 30 mm. And this I am taking 20 mm. Sketch is fully defined. Okay. This is 45 degree. Now this one. Now in the sheet metal, go in the miter flange. This one. Okay, edge is selected. One edge is selected. You will see this is the miter. In the miter flange, you will see the number of walls, multiple walls. this one, this. But in the edge flange, there is a single flange. You will find this is the difference. This is the advantage of the miter flange. Now, inside radius is 2 mm. If you uncheck this default option, you can still change the inside radius. I will show you how to measure this radius. This one I am keeping 2. This is the flange position. This is the metal inside, metal outside, band outside. In this way, I am selecting inside. Okay, gap I am taking 0.5 mm. So you can change the gap. I will how to measure gap also. I will show you. This is a 0.5 mm. Okay, this is the start offset. Suppose you take the start offset of the flange. If you take 10 mm, this is the flange shifted at 10 mm. If you take from end position, also 10 mm. This one, you shift the flange position, shift 10 mm from the corner, and from the start position also shift. But I don't want any offset. I am keeping 0, and this also I am keeping 0. Okay, this one. I am now selecting another edges. This one, and this one. This one. Okay, this is the flange position. This is this. Now you will see, suppose I give the color is this one. Okay, this appearance you can give from here. Suppose top plane, you will see there is a gap. There is a gap. So how you can measure, evaluate, measure? You can measure this point and this point. You will see the gap is 0.50. You will see here distance 0.50. This one. And if you want to measure the inside radius, you can select this radius inside. This is the inside band radius. If you click on this thing, you will see the radius is 2 mm. In this way, you can measure this thing. Gap. Clear. Okay, this is the miter flange. You can make this one. Number of walls you can create in a single attempt. Okay. Now in sheet metal, this one. Now if I flatten it, you will see this is the flattened position of the part. We can convert this into a DXF file for cutting speed. DXF file is applicable on all CNC machine for cutting. Okay, this is actually a AutoCAD file. Okay, how can you save in DXF? Right click, DXF, and give the part name. Suppose miter flange A, B. Suppose B. You name this. Save it. Now new window comes. Select the sheet metal. There are different parameters, hidden edge, band lines, and sketches. You can also bounding box. Forming tool is not any forming tool. Bounding box you can select and hit the right button. So in this way you can. Now this is the 2D file. This is the 2D file for cutting purpose. Later on, first you cut the material on the CNC machine, then you later on band it. Okay, and save it. This is the file for saving. Okay. Unflatten it. I am unflattening it. Now I will make the 2D drawing for this. How? Go in the file, make drawing from part. This one. First save the file. Okay. I am saving miter flange B. This one. This window comes. Now you have to select the format of the drawing. In which format you want. Suppose I want to select A2 format. This ISO. and this one. This comes. Now the left hand side in window you will see there is a sheet. If you right click on this one and there is a properties, now you can give the name of the sheet. Suppose you want to, this is the name of the sheet, sheet 1. You can change sheet. Suppose you give the name for meter flange. This one. This is a meter flange. Scale is 1:2. Okay. And type of projection you can change. First angle, I am taking third angle. Now you can still change the format of the steel from here. You can still change the format of this drawing sheet you want to change. You can still change. Okay. Apply changes. This one. This comes. You will see at the bottom left hand side, the name of the sheet is changed. Okay. Now you will right hand side, you will see that there is a task pane. There is a view palette. You click it. All the view comes in the view palette. Okay. Now if you click this arrow, meter flange comes. If it doesn't come, you click this 3-dot arrow. A window comes. Suppose this window comes and you can select the required. If you want to change the part, you can still change any other part and cancel it. Now this is the refresh button, and if you want to cancel this, you can cancel it. And now there are the three different views comes. I am taking first front view. This is the front view. I am taking first view. Now click on this one, and now move your cursor above this one. Another view comes. This is the top view. Okay. And if you move diagonally, this is the isometric view. Okay. Click. Now move right hand side. This is the right hand view. This one. In this way, this comes here. And escape key to come out. This is isometric. And change this style. Okay. This is this. Now, if suppose you want to change the scale of this one, you can change from here 1:2. You can change, suppose 1:1, that will be bigger. This will becomes bigger, and from here you can change the scale. So I am selecting 1:2. This is the scale. Okay. This is the parent. Front view is the parent view. The view which is brought first, that is the parent view. This, if I move another two views, move along this thing. Okay. This is the. Now, suppose you want to give the dimension. You want to remove suppose this is the tangent edges. You want to remove. Right click on any view. Tangent edges remove. Now there is a more clarity. And same way, select this view. Right click. Tangent edge removed. This one. Select this view, right click, tangent edge removed. This one. Now the picture becomes more clear. Now if you want to select the hidden lines, you left hand side, you will see here display style. There is a 1 second. This one. You select this one. Now you will see suppose you select this one and select this one. This is the hidden line are the visible. You can see dotted line. Hidden line you can see here. This one. This is the parent view. Okay. Now you want to give the dimension. Select any view. Suppose I select this one. Okay. And annotation, there is a model items. Select the view, annotation, model items, and first select here two things. Select one and this one. Two things select. Selected feature. I have selected this feature. Okay. Select the view, click this one. Mark for drawing, and this second one, not mark for drawing. Select both, selected feature. Not and there is one also, entire model. For entire model, the dimension will come in all the three views. Okay, I am select feature or entire model. Suppose I select selected feature. Okay, this one and click OK. This window comes. Yes. Now the dimension comes here. This one. This is the auto dimension comes here. This one. You can change. This one. This dimension here. You can position the dimension properly, or you can give the manually give the dimension. Suppose dimension, this one, you want to take the height. This is the 134 height, and you want to this is 70. This is sheet thickness 2 mm. Suppose you select this dimension, left hand side window, you see dimension sheet text. You want to add something, suppose thickness, THICK. You can add thickness, you can add in this one. Okay, this is the head. Smart dimension. You gap, this is the gap you are seeing. This is the gap. Now select this dimension. In the left hand side dimension text, you click here. You now gap. You can add something. This one. This is the this. This is the you can add the dimension. Okay, and this one also. $150. Suppose this is this one, and suppose there are the zeros are coming. You will see if these zeros are coming. You want to remove this one. Options, document property, dimensions, and primary. You will see if none, and OK. Zero removes. You will see zero removes. Okay, in this way you can give the dimensions also. Okay. Suppose you want to give the height. $34. This one. This way you can give the dimension in this here. You want to write something here. Note. Right here, suppose this is the top front top view. This one. Select it, increase the size, suppose 20 mm, and you can give the color from here, red color. Okay, this one. This is the top view. Okay. And you want to copy it, press Control key and select this one and drag, simply drag. This comes here. Now you can change this. You double click, you can front view. This one, you can write it, select it. You can bold it, color it. Suppose you want to give another color. Suppose blue. This color you want to give green, and OK. First this OK, and then hit this button. This one. You can write the note here also. Now there is you will see there is a you can refresh button. The view will come here. View comes here. Now I will take the flat pattern. How? I am taking another sheet. In the bottom you will see add sheet. Bottom you will see my cursor. There is a add sheet. I am clicking another sheet. Another sheet comes here. Again task pane, view palette. This is this one. And this one. This view comes. This is the flattened view of this thing. Suppose you want to rotate it. Select this button in the view head-up tool. Above rotate view. Can suppose 90 degree. Close, apply and close. This one. Escape key. This view rotates. Okay, this is a flattened view. You can You can decrease the size of this one. This one. First select the view. First select the view. 1 ratio 2. 5 will be very small. Suppose you can also change from here also, left hand side. Then you find the custom scale here. So suppose you want to change the scale from here 2.5. Here. This is changes. This one, the view changes. You can dimension you can take here from here. This one you can take dimension here from here, 573 here. You can take this dimension from here to here. This one you can, this one, this, select this line and this you will, this is the 35 degree. This one, in this way you can. These are the bending lines. Dotted lines are the bending lines. Select this view, and this one, this. These are the dotted line, bending lines. Up, you want to show the bend table here. You move this one here, and you want to show the bend table. Select this one. Annotation. There is a table section in the command manager. Take it, bend table here. Bend table. You can select the nomenclature ABC 1, 2, 3, and outer this dimension you can take it, outer line, and this line you can take it, increases to a 0.25 or decreases 0.1. This one you can change it, format, and hit the right button. Table will comes here. This one. This is the tag A. There are the different tags. A down 90 degree angle, inner radius 2, B tag up 90 degree. This one you can measure this one. Suppose select this arrow, 4-sided arrow, and this one, and select first select this. You want to edit, suppose this one, select this thing and select this capital letter and this bold. You can change. You want to increase size, suppose 14 mm, you can increase the size of this. In this way you can edit. You can increase the size of the table also. In this way you can modify that band table also. And suppose you have some confusion in this one, click this one. Suppose this band lines, this one, this LM, click, shift, double click, and this arrow comes. You select this arrow and select this arrow. Suppose, for example, this arrow comes here. This one, you position it. You can convert the tags into arrows, and you can select the different arrows. Yeah, different tags. Select this tag, shift, this tab, shift, this tab, shift, and select this arrow, left hand side. This one. Now you select any. Suppose you want to select this one. The arrow comes this way. You can position it, or you turn this one. This, in this way you can arrow. So in this way you can this one. Okay. Now you want to suppose change this title block. So right click on open area. Right click, edit sheet format. This edit sheet format. Yeah, this one. Click. Now the drawing view not visible. Only title block is visible. So do you want to give the title name of the drawing? Double click on this. Double click here. This comes. You can write miter flange. Suppose MITER flange. This one. Select it. Bold it. Color it, and this one. Color it. Okay. This one you can change the miter flange here. Suppose you want to write something here. This section, you can take the note here and write it. This one you can suppose write your channel name. Suppose, for example, CAD KNOW LEDGE Knowledge Center CENTRE Center. Select it. this one. You can select it properly, and you can change this one. You can change the fonts. This one. Anything you can change it. Gabriola. About this size 16, bold, color blue. Hit OK. Hit right this button. In this way you can change the size. In this way you can change it. Drawing number you can check. Suppose this is a miter flange, double click simple. If the text is written, only double click on this one. You can write the number 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can write in this one. And this one, change the yellow. This one, you can change yellow. This is not visible properly. Change any other color. This one, and this one. You can change. In this way, when the title block you are editing, there is view are not visible. How to come out of this? Right click on this one. Either you select the edit sheet, or you click right hand side on the corner this and click here. This view comes here. So this is sheet edit. This is, you can add another sheet also here. So in this way, different sheet shape, you want to save it, you can save it. This one, save all. This one, you can save one name, another name we want to, suppose you can save the drawing. In this way you can save the drawings also. In this way you can make the drawings also. I hope you would have enjoyed in this exercise. You please like, share and subscribe my channel. Please subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching. Thank you very much. Okay.